Welcome friends, I am Urmila Nurgude. In last period, we learned about dogs. In first lesson of first standard. So that time we learned some points about dogs. Which are they? That dogs are like points. They don't have any dimensions, means length, width or depth. Dot simply a single point. Simply a single point. We can draw them in a line. They are big or small. They are close together. They are far apart. And moreover, when we join two dots, we get a straight line. We are going to learn this concept today. So what is dot? Dot is a smallest unit we can draw in drawing. This is also a geometrical element. And the next point is that some activities also we see in there. Like this. Remember, join the dots and count the lines. This type of activity we already done in the last session. Now, today, what we are going to learn? Some more activities about dogs. Some more activities. Let's learn a new activity. See the page number 3. See the page number 3. Look here. Dots make standing lines. Standing lines. Standing line means what? A line which moves in only one direction. A line which moves in only one direction. It may be downside, it may be upside. Whatever it be, but it doesn't bend in any other direction. It moves in straight way only. A single direction. So what is straight line? A line which moves in only one direction. So we can define like this. A line which moves in only one direction. Called as a straight line. So remember it well. What is that? A line which moves. I forget to write here moves. A line which moves in only one direction called as a straight line. It doesn't bend. If it bend, what will happen? We will see it in the next point. But the straight line doesn't bend. It has only one dimension. It has only one dimension. Which one? Can you guess? It's length. Simple it is. So let's find out here. This is the length. Whatever it be. Suppose it is 5 centimeter line. Name the points. Points means dot. We have here 2 dots. When we get 2 dots, we get one line from 2 dots. If we have 2 dots, then we get a one line which is straight, moves at one direction. Suppose it may be 5 centimeter, then we can measure its length only. When we can measure its length, so it doesn't have any other dimension. So line has dimensions which is length. So remember it well and simply. When we have a single dot, a single point, it doesn't have any dimension. Remember, a point, a dot doesn't have any dimension, but a line has length. A line has length. Understand this much? I repeat it again. What is straight line? What is straight line? Straight line means a line which moves in only one direction, shows only one direction movement, called as a straight line. Doesn't have any bend structure here, don't have any curvature here, so it is a straight line. It has only one dimension like length. We can measure this line as in centimeter, meter, kilometer, like this. Understand? So simple concept it is. So what type of more lines we can see now? One type we already learned here, standing lines. What is the next type of line? Before that, we will do one more activity with the standing line. Okay. It is given in 1C, page number 3. Observe the page number 3. Some dots are given here. They are in a line. See, this is your page. So draw some dots already given there. No need to draw again. These are some dots. They are in a line or not? I think not. Okay, find out. See, this is here, this one is here, and this one is here. So what is the activity? Join the dots in a straight line. This is the activity given in your book. So complete this activity at home. And this type of activity is also given in the last pages in your book. So find out the related page and do it at home. Now, again, these are all straight lines. This is activity given in page number 3. Now what is given in page number 4? Let's see. So check out the page number 4 here. Look at page number 4. What is given here? 1D. Dots make sleeping lines. Means we have to draw here sleeping lines. So one more type of lines. Sleeping lines. To sleep means parallel to horizontal, like this. Sleeping. These are all sleeping lines. But when we can draw, a straight line when we have two dots. So we need 2 points every time. Each and every time we need minimum 2 points, then we get a straight line which moves in one direction. These are all sleeping lines because they are parallel to horizontal line. All. So this is one more activity given in your book. How we do? Suppose this is your page. This is your given page and some dots are given here in this line. And you have to join them. Very simple activity this also. So complete this activity also. Very simple activity and I know you enjoyed that activity. So do it once again. Now let's see one more type of lines. Where is my hanky? Before that, here one more activity is given on page number 5. Look at the page number 5. Let's recap. Join the dots together, standing and sleeping. Now here we have to practice standing and sleeping lines together. Sleeping lines together. This is one more experiment. Now suppose it is your page. Okay. So here are some dots. In this last line also we have dots in a line. We learned it already. Dots in a line means we can draw dots in a line or randomly. We can draw them together. We can draw them far apart, means keeping some distance. So we learned it already. Now this activity is depend on this. Okay. And we also learned standing lines and sleeping lines. Correct? So first draw standing lines. For that, join the opposite dots very slowly and try to draw straight lines here. You don't have this problem that I face because the dots are correctly given there. So join again. It's bent slightly, okay, no problem. Now we also have here some dots. So join the remaining dots like this correctly. Go slowly, move line smoothly. You can draw a straight line. So try it more and more time. Okay. In this way we get some checks here. What we call here? This shape? Check. Means a square. These are all squares. Means by joining standing and sleeping lines, we get one type of design here. So you can feel alternate checks or using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors applying. You can join this line also, so that you get a correct here one rectangle, big rectangle, and small checks are divided that rectangle. Is that clear? Okay. Now come to the next. So turn your page. Now see the lesson number 2 starts from this page number 6. So come to the lesson number 2. Do this activity more and more time, because you have to practice the straight lines and sleeping lines to draw them correctly without using any instrument, without using your scale. So practice it more and more time. Okay friends, in this way we learned much more things about dots. In the next session, we learned about again dots, but in lesson number 2. Till then, goodbye and take care and stay safe.